How to use Google Authenticator. So, if you haven't installed this application yet, you have to go to Google Play Store, type Google Authenticator, and install this application. So, this is what it looks like when you open it. So, what you want to do here is to click Get Started. And as you can see, welcome to Google Authenticator. And you just have to simply select or click that Google account that you want to use. So tap this arrow facing down if you want to change. So as you can see, I cannot screen record for privacy purposes. But let me tell you that once you open this one, what you see there, you have two options, add a code and change code. You can see there a plus button too. So you have to click that plus button. Once you tap the plus button, you will see two options, scan a QR code and enter a setup key. So what you want to do here is to click this scan QR code. Now, once you tap that, what you want to do is to click allow. Now open your Facebook application. Tap this three lines at the top right corner. Tap the gear icon or you can scroll down and go to settings and privacy and then tap settings. Okay. And then here you have to click this account center and then look for password and security. Now click this two-factor authentication. And as you can see here, choose your security method. The first one, you have to tap that authentication application. So this one is recommended, but you have to download first your Google Authenticator app. So this is what it looks like. Now scan this QR code or copy the key. So like what I've mentioned earlier, you just have to click the scan code and then pointed camera here. And then what you're gonna do is to just simply click next. So the code will be sent to your Authenticator app, and all you have to do is to enter the code here. Enter the six-digit code generated by your authentication application. Okay, and then tap next. It will ask to get your password and then click submit. Okay, so that's it. So whatever changes you want to do, you must go to this process first before you change something on your Facebook. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.